Alright, got a 3 side-by-side highly rated pieces of equipment here that I want to kind of go over with you and show you some of the differences of them. The first two, the green one over here and the middle one, they're both the Bissell CrossWave. The difference is this one plugs in, it's got an electrical cord, and this one's battery powered, so you're going to recharge it and use it. That's not the only difference, but that would be the primary difference. So they're both called Bissell CrossWave. One over here is made by Shark, and this is the Shark S7001. So Shark S7001. The other main difference, I'm going to demonstrate them here on this floor. Two Bissell products are designed to basically work like a mop and a vacuum at the same time. If you never use it, I mean, that's basically in layman's terms what it's doing. It's cleaning up the mess, but also mopping the floor at the same time. Where the Shark, think of it more as just replacing a mop. Okay, there's no vacuuming involved in it. It also has an electrical cord it's going to plug in. It's not battery powered. When you look at the Shark one, it's going to come with these removable pads here, so you can take those off and throw them in the washing machine and get those clean. And these are going to work in a rotating fashion to scrub the floor. So instead of you using some elbow grease to scrub the floor, the machine does a lot of the work for you. This also is a steamer, okay? It's got 3 modes. It's got light steam, normal steam, and deep steam. So depending on which mode you're using is the amount, the amount of steam that it's putting out. This is advertised as a way to use steam to clean versus using chemicals. So we'll demonstrate it shortly. The middle one here, again, this is the battery powered option. So it's going to plug in and charge, kind of like a cordless battery powered vacuum cleaner. And both of these come with a cleaning solution. So you put the solution in the clear tank with the water, it's going to automatically feed the solution through with the water. So it's not like you got to spray the floor first, okay? It's the machine's doing the work for you. You see the kind of brush that comes on these. So again, it's going to vacuum and mop the floor at the same time. The other thing is, I moved to this one, it's got like the 2-tank technology, meaning that it's going to keep the dirty water and the clean water separate. So it's not like you're mopping your floor with a bucket of dirty water. And they advertise them as being used on any sealed floor for all of these, okay? So that can mean laminate, hardwood, and tile, and linoleum, things like that. They even use them. This one even has a button that says rug. So let's give them a chance. What I want to do first, since this floor is a tile floor and it's got some dirt and mess on it, so I want to use the 2 Bissell products first, so we can see if we can clean up some of the mess while mopping, and then we'll give the Shark a test drive too. Weight of this, just as I feel I would compare it to like a standard vacuum cleaner, heavier than a normal stick battery powered vacuum. So again, I got it easy to use. I've already got it plugged in, already got my water in there. And again, I'm going to push the button for hard oil. Let me turn it off and show you, but it also, so I push that button to turn on, but then I have a trigger here to control the water, okay? So it's vacuuming, and then I can put the water going at the same time. Okay, so that was pretty good results. It's like I said, it's picking up the trash on the floor like a vacuum cleaner and mopping it at the same time. You can just use it as a vacuum cleaner and not use the liquid version. It's not soaking the floor. I mean, it's putting out enough water there to clean it, but it's not like a wet mop necessarily. And just again to show you, this is the clean water, and then the dirty water ends up in here that can be emptied out later. This is the cordless version. Feels a little bit lighter, honestly, than the other one. Similar type of functionality. So it's got different modes here. It's got a low and a high mode. So I push the button to turn it on, and then here's the mode button. So now I'm going to high mode, okay? So there's low mode and then high mode. Again, same thing, clean water, dirty water, low mode, high mode, and it's vacuuming and mopping at the same time. While these two have a similar performance, I would say I feel like the corded one seems to perform slightly better, but both good products. But I would say this one seems to be doing a little bit better job of cleaning. Now in this demonstration I didn't actually have the cleaning chemical in there. Alright, lastly is the Shark. Again, this is not a vacuum. This one is just simply for cleaning the floors, and it's going to be a little bit different because it's going to use steam to clean with. So you have your button down here, and again, that's light steam, medium steam, and high steam. Okay, so you see how the heads are turning in a circular motion for this. And so it basically is going to reduce the amount of elbow grease you need. Again, you can use this on tile floors, but you can also use it on hardwood, laminate, things like that. See the steam coming up from the floor, at least I can. I don't know if it's showing up in the video. And then, of course, it's still steaming, but you can see now I can just take these off and throw them in the washing machine to clean them. I hope this video has been helpful in giving you an overview of 3 highly rated products to clean your floors.